What produces the upward force that allows you to swim? The increase in pressure with increasing depth creates an upward force called the buoyant force. By comparing the buoyant force on an object with its weight, you can predict whether the object will sink or float. Suppose that a box is immersed in water. It has a height of L, and its top and bottom each have a surface area of A. The volume of the box, then, is the product of its height and surface area. Water pressure exerts forces on all sides, as shown here. Will the box sink or float? As you know, the pressure on the box depends on its depth, h. To find out whether the box will float in water, you will need to determine how the pressure on the top of the box compares with the pressure from below the box. Compare the two equations shown here. On the four vertical sides, the forces are equal in all directions, so there is no net horizontal force. The upward force on the bottom is larger than the downward force on the top, so there is a net upward force. The buoyant force can now be determined as shown here. These calculations show the net upward force to be proportional to the volume of the box. This volume equals the volume of the fluid displaced, or pushed out of the way, by the box. Therefore, the magnitude of the buoyant force equals the weight of the fluid displaced by the object.